You've journeyed through 7 days of building emotional resilience while managing a chronic condition. You've explored physical self-care, mindfulness, positive thinking, and social support. These tools have been your stepping stones, and research shows they can make a significant difference. But remember, this is just the beginning. Your path to improved emotional resilience grows beyond these 7 days. Adapt these strategies to fit your unique needs. And if you feel you need more personal guidance, consider signing up for a coaching session. Regular practice and proper support will give you more confidence to face your health challenges. Emotional resilience isn't just a skill, it's a journey. It's about recognizing your strength even in the face of adversity. Resilient individuals recognize their emotions and manage stress constructively. Spend quality time with loved ones, accept their support, and discuss your challenges. Maintain a balanced life and develop self-awareness. The theory of resilience is simple. It's not the adversity itself, but how we respond to it. Resilience enables us to overcome, adapt, and thrive despite difficulties. Life coaching can be a powerful tool to fine-tune your skills and dreams, even after a chronic illness. Visit resilientlivingcoaching.com or email us at clientsuccess@resilientlivingcoaching.com. Find out which community to join or explore our services and products. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our newsletter and channel to stay connected. Thank you for being a part of this journey. You are stronger than you know.